So I'm going to do a walk around of my flat iron skiff, beginning in the stern with the kick-up rudder, which is controlled by a lanyard right here. Notice that the tiller is removable, as the rudder is removable as well. And this oarlock here is for a sculling oar, which I also have. And the nice thing about this, of course, is the quality of construction. The man that built this boat went to the trouble to add these little removable backrests. So depending on where you're sitting, you can move that backrest from that position. Well, you could move it all the way up here if you were sitting there and you wanted your back to be supported. Your back could be supported here, and you could move it all the way up the boat. You could move it right up here. If you wanted them there, you could put them there. Very easily pulled out and reset. This is the dagger board in a slot. And it has a lock on it in the down position right here. This just is a very simple bolt that moves in and out and then locks in along this line here, which is metal. Very clever. The guy that built this boat was very clever. And this is the mast step, but this boat can also carry a jib, and that's why we have two mast steps. So if you put the mast back there and you put the bowsprit on, which mounts through these holes here with very simple mounting, then you can use a jib on it. As you can see, the exterior of the hull is in very good condition. Just a very well done small skiff, flat iron skiff, made probably in the 70s. I don't have any paperwork on it. It was a bit of a barn find. I was very happy to get it. It rows amazingly well. It rows just effortless. And it sails well. It's a balanced lug rig, so it's without the jib, it sails just fine. If you were going to do any extensive cruising and voyaging and you wanted to go to windward, of course, you put the bowsprit on and you can go to weather a little bit better. The trailer's got rust. It's not new by any stretch of the imagination. It's very old, but the shocks work, and it's got springs and shocks, which is kind of amazing. And there you have it. Again, the year, I don't know. I was told by the man that I bought it from that it was built sometime in the 1970s. But it's built very well, and it's covered with epoxy. So it's held up very well, and it has a full cover as well. So there you have it. 15-foot flat iron rowing sailing skiff. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Get out there on the water. Ain't nothing better than messing around with boats.